Oh, so I suppose we'll do this out the best we can here. Start with
In
esoteric.
early 1666, the long-awaited Jewish Messiah was poised to overthrow the Sultan of the Ottoman Empire, cross Sambatyon River, and return astride a lion, leading an army composed of the 10 lost tribes of Israel.
Quantum mechanics gets weirder as we go to smaller sizes and higher energies. It's strange enough for atoms, but positively
before him, and the third temple in Jerusalem would be built, inaugurating the Messianic
to the weird
age.
world of
The
quantum
dead
chromodynamics.
Years passed, the Messiah would become so spiritually elevated.
As you know, atoms consist of a nucleus of protons and neutrons surrounded by electrons. Those electrons are held in their orbitals by the electromagnetic force. Opposite charges attract, and so the negatively charged electrons are attracted by
The world's Jews from Yemen to Holland and distant Brazil were prepared to return to Israel.
multiple electrons repel each other, but fortunately are spread out enough to not disturb each other too much. The protons, on the other hand, are packed together in the nucleus as tightly as any matter in the universe. The repulsive force between them due to electromagnetism is absolutely enormous. So, how does the nucleus stay together? Well, it's due to an even stronger force, namely the strong nuclear force. But if the strong force is so strong, why is it confined to the atomic nucleus? The answers to all of these questions lie in the complex behavior of quarks and gluons via the rules of quantum chromodynamics. Our lead to understanding the strong force came in the 1940s when we switched on our first particle accelerators and started to detect a veritable zoo of new particles. As physicists tried to understand the aptly named particle zoo, certain peculiar relationships were observed. In particular, Murray Gell-Mann and others realized that the way these particles were created in particle collisions suggested the existence of a new conserved quantity that they named strangeness.
The historical events of that
and strangeness was strange
year
indeed.
of messianic
Gell-Mann
expectation from
and
Rosh
Yuval
Hashanah of
Neeman noticed that
1665 to
if you
September
arrange particles according to their
1666
strangeness and their
perhaps the
electric
most
charge, they fall into
perplexing
geometric
in
patterns
Jewish
like this
history.
hexagon with 8
Just
particles or this
how
triangle
did
with
all
10.
this happen?
This
And
is
of
known
course,
as
there's
the
no simple
eightfold
answer to
way,
that question.
and it's like a
But
periodic
in this
table,
episode,
but
I want
for
to explore
particles.
the more
Before too long, it was
esoteric
realized that
dimension
the particles of
of
the
the
particle zoo were
messianic
not
appeal of
elementary.
that period.
They were made of
The
smaller particles still,
Kabbalistic
and those
arguments for
particles are
Shabbatite
quarks.
Tzvi's claim
It turns out
to
that
have been the
location on
King
these shapes
Messiah.
represents the
By
quark
exploring
content
the
of the
writings of
particle.
his chief theoretician,
Strangeness
prophet,
just turned out to represent how many strange
well,
quarks
PR
are present.
guy,
By the way, these
Gaza, we can
particles
see
of
how
multiple
Lurianic
quarks are now
Kabbalah
called
was marshaled,
hadrons.
but also deeply
Describing
transformed
hadrons
to
as
underwrite
groups of
these
quarks
messianic
explains
claims,
the eightfold way,
including
but it also
Shabbatai's
introduces a new problem.
bizarre
To
behavior,
understand the problem, I want you to
blasphemous
imagine
behavior,
that
and
you're
even the
at a
heretical and
fancy party,
antinomian turns the
and you're
movement would
wearing your
eventually
brand new
take.
pretty dress,
Let's
or
explore
jacket
the
or jumpsuit
Kabbalistic
or whatever.
theology
I don't judge.
of
Anyway,
the heretic
someone shows
Messiah.
up wearing the exact
If
same
you're interested
outfit.
in the history of
Waterfall,
magic,
right?
hermetic philosophy,
Well,
alchemy,
it turns out that
Kabbalah,
nature
or the
also
academic
has
study of
its
the
fashion
occult,
police.
make sure to
For the
subscribe
class
and
of
check out my other
particles called
content on topics and
fermions,
esotericism,
no more than one
including
particle
many different
can
kinds
wear
of
the same
curated
dress
playlists.
or occupy
The whole
Also,
Turk
same
Empire,
Work,
man.
state.
providing accessible,
That includes electrons,
scholarly,
quarks, and many of the particles that
conspiracy
are
theory,
composed of
free
quarks.
content
This
on topics
restriction
of
is known as
esotericism here
the
on
Pauli
YouTube. I'd
exclusion
hope you consider
principle.
supporting my work
This
on
one.
Patreon or the
Consequence of this
one-time
is that no
donation,
two
or
electrons
with
can
the
occupy the same
cool
energy
super
level
thanks
in an
options
atom.
that you
Talking to
now have
Nixon
down
here.
there.
No
Slight
good
correction.
job.
Electron
But now,
orbitals can contain
turn to the
2
origins
electrons,
of creation,
but that's
of
because those
evil
electrons
itself,
can
and
have
how the
different
soul
spin
of the
states.
Messiah
It's like
plunged
they have
into
the same
abyss of
dress, but
pure
in
evil,
different
the realm of
colors.
the Clique
And we
Pope
made an episode
would
all
eventually
about
emerge
that.
to
Okay,
redeem
so
all
how
of
does this apply
reality
to quarks?
itself.
Let's look
The
at the
theology
omega
of the
barrier.
heretic Messiah,
It's made of
Shabbatai
3
Tzvi.
strange quarks.
I'm
Well, in
Dr.
reality,
Justin
3
Sledge, and
valence
welcome
strange
to
quarks, 3
Esoterica,
quarks in the top energy
where we
level.
explore
There's a
the
lot
arcane
happening under the hood.
in history,
Now, there must be
philosophy,
something different
and
between these
religion.
quarks in order for them to comply with the exclusion principle. It can't be spin, because with 3 particles and only 2 possible spin states, 2 will always have the same spin. The only solution is that there must be some other property making them different, and that property must have 3 different possible values. With electromagnetism, you have one type of charge.
Pretty good
which
with
Now,
energy
to
drives
be
right
sure,
here.
this episode is
With the
not
strong
meant to be a
force,
primer
you have
on
three
Shabbatai
first
Chavi or
types.
the Messianic
If our
movements
omega
entering in
particles quarks are
after
going
his
to
life.
wear the
I'm
same
going to
dress,
assume
they
some
better be
basic
different colors.
familiarity with all
In
of
fact,
that.
we label
After
these
all,
three strong
this
force
channel
charges
Esoterica isn't
with
meant
the
really to be
colors
introductory
red,
level
green,
content
and blue.
most of the time.
And this colourful
But
convention
you want a really
led to the
solid
naming of our
academic
science of
refresher on
strong force
Shabbatai Tzvi and the
interactions,
Messianic movement that he
quantum
inspired.
chromodynamics.
Religion for
Of course,
Breakfast
Empire.
quarks are literal
great
colours,
episode on just
but
that
as we'll
topic,
see in a
Atheistia
bit,
and,
our
proteasic.
scientists thought about
Also,
colours when naming
yeah.
this property.
Apricus.
If we have
do this.
different
I'd warn
charges,
against
then we have
90%
a
of the
potential
information
for
on
attractive
Shabbatai Tzvi
forces.
and the Messianic
We need this
movement
attraction to hold
left in
quarks
its wake
together
on
in
the internet.
nucleons,
It's awash
and
with,
nucleons together in the atomic nucleus.
let's call them
And that
valueless,
attractive force needs to be
anti-Semitic
stronger
internet
than the
grifters,
repulse of
whose analysis
electromagnetism
will somehow
while
make
still
you
vanishing
stupider
outside
having
the atomic
watched it.
nucleus.
I've actually
How
included
can
a
that
bibliographic list of reliable
There's
scholarship
another
in the
weird
description if you
behaviour
want to
of
really
the hadrons
dig
that'll
into
help
the
us
topic
answer
of
this
Shabbatai
question.
Tzvi or
It
Frankism
turns
or
out
what have
that
you.
all of these
Now,
particles
we're
are
also going
made
to be
of
exploring
two
some
or three
pretty technical
quarks.
elements in
It's
the Lurian
possible
and
to
Kabbalah as
briefly
well,
create
so
larger
you might also want
combinations
to
in
review
particle
that
colliders,
before
but
we
not in
get
nature.
going.
And most
Again,
importantly, we
this
never see
channel ain't
lone
called
quarks except in very
Esoterica
particular circumstances.
for nothing.
Let's lay out what we need from
Prior
our
to
strong
Shabbatai
force for
Tzvi's
all
early
of this to work.
proclamation of himself
Teach how to
as
walk
the
in
The force is
Messiah
similar to
dating around
electromagnetism in
1648 or
some
so,
respects,
and
but
Nathan's
it's very
technical
different in
Kabbalistic
others.
defense of such
Electrically
claims
charged
composed
particles
Wow, that's
interact
something
with each
special
other
with
via
the
the
P2.
electromagnetic
Both of
field.
these guys had
We can
had
think of each charged
profound
particle as generating a
mystical
constant
insights
buzz of virtual
independent
photons
of one
around
another.
it, forming what we
Shabbatai,
think of
having
as
learned
its
almost from the
EM
Zohar
field. That
exclusively,
buzz
had come to
weakens
a
the further you get from the
profound,
particle.
though
So an electron bound to an
dynamic,
atomic nucleus will
changeable
feel less
insight into what
force
he
from the
called the
nucleus at
mystery
larger
of the
orbitals.
Godhead.
The
And
further
Nathan
the
had
electron
developed,
gets
well,
from the nucleus, the more
supernatural
easily
healing
it can
powers,
escape.
the very
Assuming
healing powers that would
the
actually
strong
eventually
force works
attract
roughly the
Shabbatai
same
Tzvi
way,
to visit him
we
there
need a
in Gaza
field to
in
mediate
the
it.
first place.
And that field should have
Further,
its own particles.
Nathan, despite
We call
his
those particles
young age, he's only about
gluons.
20 at the time,
A pair of
would
quarks
become
bound into, say, a pion.
shockingly proficient
Connected
in the
by a
highly
gluon
technical
field,
intricacies
also
of Lurian and
describable as
Kabbalah.
a constant exchange of virtual
It's
gluons.
mind-blowing how fast
But
he
this
learned
field
this
looks
stuff.
very different to the
Especially
electromagnetic field
learned
around
in
the
the debates
nucleus.
around the
For
primeval
one thing, it
period
does
of
not
the
weaken
Tzimtzum or
as
the
the
divine
quarks are moved
contraction,
further apart.
up to the penetration
Instead
of
of
the divine
forming a
light
fading
into that
gradient
vacuum
of
of the
field
Tzimtzum,
strength,
but
quark
prior
pairs are
to
connected
the
by a
emanation of the
thread of
Sephirotic
gluon
system.
field called a
Yeah,
flux tube.
that primeval.
As quarks
After
are
the first
separated,
movements
the
of the
thread
hidden
doesn't
divine
weaken
will,
like the EM
but
field
before
does.
the
The
Sephiroth
flux
himself
tube
became
has a
differentiated.
tension.
Like
And just like
that
a
early on
stretched
in the
elastic
system, that's
band,
where the big
the more you
debates
stretch
were,
the flux
but
tube, the more
more,
energy it holds.
a
At a
lot
certain
more
point,
on
the
that,
tube
all
will
of that
snap,
in just
but
a
only
moment.
when exactly enough
Now,
energy
as I
has been
mentioned,
built up
Shabbatai's
to create
mystical
a
insight
new
into
pair
the
of
mystery of
quarks.
the Godhead,
Now,
despite
each of the
his,
original quarks is
well, constantly
partnered with one of the
transforming
new
and
quarks,
deepening its meaning through
forming
the years,
two new pions
focused
Catnip.
on
on a
restoring
single pion.
accessibility
Catnip,
And the
how
same
you
would
go.
happen
We need extra
with
stuff. You
any
remember
of
that?
the other
Alright,
particles
so
made
I
of
know this is
quarks.
going to trip
Israel.
things,
If you
but
want to break
alright,
them
see the
apart,
yin
just
yang,
enough
they
room
do
you
the
got
same
of
thing, but
worship.
they're different,
quarks
solid,
separate
and
them.
neutral, it still keeps light and sound magnetism. You do special things with some cats already got wrecked by him. I want the catnip, man.
Space gets sort
There,
of
the primary
saturated,
source of
so
all
that
being
quarks
via
can't
emanation
form.
remains itself
That allows
utterly
quarks to
hidden from
move
all
freely
knowledge or
in a state of
speculation
matter
or
known as a
comprehension.
gluon plasma.
Ein Sof, the
This
infinite,
behavior
the
of
divine
the gluon
abyss
field
of nothingness,
explains
or no
why we only see
thingness,
Well,
quarks
hydrogen
beyond
would
all
be what that would be
comprehension,
today.
beyond all
They
calculation,
may have been doing it
to
different
explain
ways,
why
some
all
clicks and
forces
ticks that
can be
make
seen
mannerism,
as
mannerism,
being.
The answer is
landscape,
something
manscape, and
Rather, the
Confinement.
divine is actually known through a
Green
series of
Corresponding
later
color
emanations,
charge
the
is
famous
mostly
spheroids.
only felt inside
And
the
even
hadrons.
then, the first
There are two
three
parts to
spheroids,
this.
Keter,
The first
Chokhmah,
one
and
is
Binah,
that
are
quarks
also
always get together
beyond
in
all
groups that are
comprehension,
color
but
neutral.
are concentrated
And the second
in the
is that there are
synthetic
no
sephirah
neutral
of
gluons.
Tiferet, which is
To understand the first one, we
revealed
have to see
glory
how the
of
strong
the
force
divine
is
and
similar
corresponds to the
to
name of the
electromagnetism.
divine as revealed
Let's say we have
to
a
humanity.
proton and an electron.
Tetragrammaton
Their electric
gives
charges
a
attract
buzz.
when they form
But
a
that
neutral
creates
Cool.
a lot
We'll
of
pick her up
tension.
and
This is
this
what
is
renders the
chess
charges
game in
they
town
attract
now.
each other
Beyond
until the
all
electrical fields
comprehension,
cancel
but also
out.
beyond
And
all
that's why
worship.
everything
It
around
makes
you is
Judaism as a
electrically
religion
neutral.
of worship of
You would have to
divine
get really
oneness.
close to an
Your
atom to
statue
feel
of
the
David.
positive electric field of the nucleus or the
Shabtai's
negative
mystical
electric field
insight
of
is
the
also a
electrons.
glimpse into his flair
Something
for
similar happened
golf
with
course.
color charges. They
The
also
How
attract each other
31,
until they
35
form groups that
with
have
murder.
neutral
Oh, we got a
color.
lot of murders out
This
here.
makes
We're
sense
parked in
when we
this
have
neighborhood right here in this
two
Scala
lights.
thing.
They
I
have
could have made
fields
it
of
real light.
charges
I
and
mean,
they cancel out. out.
unknowable
For example,
upper
the
spheroid,
quarks
or
of a
the
pion
utterly
could be
unknown
red and
causeless
anti-red.
cause of all
But
causes.
what happens
and
when we
so
have three
he
quarks?
posits
How do
the
they cancel out?
ontological
Maybe they didn't
priority
teach
of
you this
Tiferet
equation in school, but it turns out that
as
red
and
plus
so
blue plus green
enclosed
equals
or
0.
made
That same formula
manifest as a
tells us,
very
for example,
necessary
that
object
blue
of faith
equals
and
minus red
worship.
minus green.
Deep.
In
By
fact, each net
extension,
charge is
yeah,
equal
well,
to the
expressed
negative
in
sum of
Tiferet,
the
this
other
would
two.
Thanks to
also
helping around
unlock
here
This
the
may
about
sound
higher
crazy,
Sephirotic structure,
but
thus
it may
access
not sound
to
so
the
crazy
supernal
if you
world,
are
the
a
eternal
photographer
spiritual
or a
worlds,
designer,
and the
because
Torahs.
this is exactly how the
Yeah,
RGB
Torahs,
system works.
plural,
Your screen
contained
can't
within
make
them.
this color.
Now,
Or this
Shabbatai
one,
would
or
alter,
even
shift,
this
deepen,
pure
and
white. All
transform
it can
this
do is
understanding of
combinations
the
of red,
mystery
green,
of the
blue.
Godhead.
White is what
But
you
the
get when
key
you combine
idea
all
of
three in equal
Tiferet
quantities.
as
That's your
Sof
red plus green
manifest
plus
as the
blue
God of
equals
faith
0,
and worship, as
and
opposed
yellow
to
is just
the
red
more
plus green, which means that
Maimonidean
yellow
God of Ein
is
Sof as the
minus
uncaused
blue,
cause
or
of all
anti-blue,
causes.
if we're using the
Indeed,
language
in a
of
short essay
thermodynamics.
early
The
on in the
mathematics
Messianic
used to
movement,
describe
Nathan
this
of
system
Gaza would
just
actually
happens to be
reinterpret
the
the allegory
same
of Jonah
as the
and the
mathematics
ship
that describes
from
the
Zohar
behavior of the
literature.
charges in the
In
strong
the
force.
Tikkun Zohar,
It has
later
three
strata
primary
of Zohar
colors, like the three
literature,
charges
the
of the strong
ship
force,
represents the
each
body
of which
and Jonah
can be
represents
positive
the
or
soul.
negative, and
Whereas
transform
here,
into each
in the
other
Messianic
additively in
movement,
the same way,
faith in
or
that movement
cancel out
actually
to
puts
neutrality.
further wind into the
This
sails to,
apparent
I guess,
coincidence
continue
is why
using that
physicists
metaphor,
called them color
thus
charges
actually
in the first
hastening
place.
their redemption.
But it's not as weird a
Indeed,
coincidence
Nathan
as you might
urges that
think,
this
and I
text,
will
the
tell
Jonah
you
text,
why.
and other penitential
Shortly.
texts in heaven,
First,
were
let's get
actually
to
a
the
means
other
to
requirements
drive
for
No clue.
prayers
I
and
know.
fight
I just made a
the
video. I
road
figured
from
sorted
the
out later.
vice regent of
And for this,
Tiferet
we
up
need to
like
compare
waves
the strong
crashing
force
into
and
one
electromagnetism.
another,
I do. Arkansas.
creating a kind
Hard
of
to kill
Electrically
reptile.
neutral
Here's
objects
street
cannot
hard to
feel
heal.
electrostatic attraction,
void of
but they can
Keter,
certainly feel
even
For that version,
backs
yeah,
up
ask
into the
y'all.
cause
See it
of
all
You out there with
causes.
paperwork in
These,
here, so
neutral
who let you
metals
sign
attract
out the
a
God
magnet
killer
utterly
gun number
itself
4?
daring
also
possibility
neutral.
only made
This is
possible
possible
through
because the
Shabbatai's
mediating particle of electromagnetism, the
unlocking of the
photon,
mystery of the
is
Godhead.
itself electrically
In
neutral.
that focus of his
That means
unlocking
photons can
access to the
interact with
supernal
objects
worlds
without
through
affecting
the
their
That house
electric
built right
charge.
there.
Emunah,
Some people's
And thus,
kryptonite.
neutral
I'll
would
objects
take
play
can
a
them down
interact with
decisive
the
role
magnetic field.
in
Once I
almost
go.
There is
everything
a
to come
strong
in the
interaction
Shabbat
similar to
theology.
magnetism called
While Shabbatai
chromomagnetism,
speculations about the
but that's
mystery
where
of
the
the Godhead
I think that was a good one.
provide a
because
Today,
gluons
yeah,
are
yeah,
not
that was a good
breakthrough
one.
like
or
photons.
a
Gluons
Narishkite
carry
heretical
color
breakdown
charge.
depending on your
In fact, they carry two
mileage
charges
here.
at the same time,
It would also
a
be up
positive
to
and
this
a
prophet
Because it
negative
would be
of
like
different
AC,
colors.
not
to
Echo.
build
Or
Or Jacko
a
Echo.
superposition of
Kabbalistic
multiple
theory.
positive negative
This
colors,
guy, comparatively
and
to some
they
stuff,
cannot be
about
color
Messianic
neutral.
claims,
This
but
means
also
gluons
his
are unable to interact with neutral
aberrant
particles,
behavior.
like
Some
the
stuff,
combinations of
like
his
quarks
apparent
that form
apostasy,
hadrons.
and
If they
well,
could,
his
hadrons
death.
would be able to feel
Nathan Wood set to that
chromomagnetism,
task in
which could make
1665
the strong
in a series
force a
of
long-range
extraordinary
force,
treaties,
and that would
letters, and
probably
liturgical
be bad,
documents,
or at
many
the
of
very
which
least
remain
very different from
untranslated,
the universe
many of which
that we
only
know.
recently got republished.
Gluons can carry
And what I
many
want
different
to do is
combinations
Ripped
of
away
attempt to
colors,
his
trace
and
hair
are
out
off.
always
what
in a
of these
superposition
arguments
of
for
multiple
the
combos.
feverish
pretty
For
close to
example,
home.
a gluon could be a
Shabbatai
combination
apostasy
of green
consisted of,
anti-blue
and how they
and
function
blue
within the
anti-green,
larger
which we
Lurianic
write
system
like this.
of Kabbalah
Such a
more
gluon
generally,
might turn a
focusing
blue
primarily
quark
on
green or a
Nathan's
green
Derusha
quark
Tanaim
blue.
or the treatise on
Sometimes
the
we
dragon.
even have to
Ooh, that's
consider
fine,
Many
right.
of these early
possibilities,
documents were
like
actually
red
written to
anti-red
explain
plus
to the
blue
early
anti-blue
adopters of the Messianic
minus
faith,
2 times
like,
Come
green
get it,
anti-green.
you know, the
This
beloved
last one
Chalevi
looks
Raphael Joseph,
color
who
neutral
actually
because each of those
bankrolled
three
the first
combos
years
appears to
of the
cancel out,
movement.
but it's not really neutral because
gotta
the
get that guy
probability
on
of
board, the
green
money guy.
interaction is double
But
the other
just what
ones.
did these people have
It
their
turns
faith
out that we can
in
express
exactly?
the state of
What
a
did it mean
gluon
for
as a
Shabbatai to
combination
be